How's it going? Today I got a new grill for the Tacoma, and I wanted ever since I got the Land Cruiser, and I got the new grill for the Land Cruiser that said Toyota. I wanted my Tacoma to match, so let's just cut to the chase. Let's see what I got. You probably can already guess what I got, but if you can't guess, this is what I got. The TRD Pro. I got the TRD Pro grill. Um, yeah, I've always liked this grill from the beginning. The reason I got the other grill that I bought that says Tacoma, and then now it says Taco because I covered up the Ma with the license plate. Yeah, I've always liked this grill. The reason I didn't get it from the beginning was because I just wanted something different, to be honest. So, but now that I got the Land Cruiser, I really wanted to match and have them both say Toyota. So that's why I got the Pro Grill. So I'm going to be trying this again for the second time. First time didn't work out too well. So I'm going to be giving away my old Tacoma grill. Now the way this is going to work, similar to last time, I'm going to need you all to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. Importantly, comment below so that way I know that you're entered to win the grill. Once I reach 500 subscribers, I'll go ahead and pick a lucky winner that's going to win this grill. And another thing, there are going to be a few more details below, but another thing is the winner needs to be from the lower 48, and I'll go ahead and ship it free to them. So let's take a little closer look at the grill because it's not brand new. So here's the grill. I had the license plate on this side. It was covering up this part, so it just said Taco. I went ahead and removed that. The grill's in good shape. It's not bent or anything. The only issue you can see is that the powder coating has been coming off in some spots, so it is a little bit rusted, but you know that can be taken care of with a little bit of paint. And so the grill is not new, it's used, but it's free. So go ahead and comment and subscribe to my channel so you can be entered to win this grill. Yeah, I have to admit I like this look a lot better. It's kind of dark because of this. It's bright in the background, but you'll be able to see it. It looks a lot better. I'm liking it already. I also like the other grill too. I just really wanted the trucks to match. So here it is. I'll be sending this to one lucky winner as soon as I reach my 500 subscribers. And I'll clean it up, but you know, it can use a little bit of polishing. And then this is removable. It's a little plastic piece that bolts in the back, so you can remove that if you want, if you don't have a blue Tacoma, or you can keep it and just simply paint it whatever color Tacoma you have to color match that. So yeah, really digging I'm really happy now. My two Toyotas have Toyota on the front, and honestly I like this grill. But that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's kind of a short video. I just wanted to announce the giveaway, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. So as soon as I hit that magic number, we'll be picking a lucky winner and they'll be getting a new grill. Check y'all later.